Hello guys, I will explain about the Bodrek flu and cough medicine. First, what is Bodrek medicine? Bodrek is an over-counter headache medicine that is useful for treating migraines and tension headaches. Warning: be careful if you have experienced an allergic reaction to paracetamol, caffeine, or other ingredient contained in Bodrek product. Before taking Bodrek, consult with your doctor if you suffer from liver disease, hepatitis, or expressing alcoholism. Be careful when taking other drugs, including supplement and herbal medicine, before taking this drug. Bodrek flu and content Bodrek flu and cough PA is used to treat flu symptoms such as fever, cold, nasal congestion, and cough with plague. The content of each Bodrek tablet is 500 mg of paracetamol, 10 mg of phenylephrine, and 12 mg of dextromethorphan. Bodrek flu and cough benefits. Bodrek flu and cough are useful for relieving cold symptoms such as fever, relieving cold symptoms such as cold and nasal congestion, which are accompanied by congestion and aplomb. Dose of Bodrek flu and cough. Dose 1 caplet 3 times a day. How to use Bodrek flu and cough? Use Bodrek according to the information state and the PCAC or consult with your doctor. First, Bodrek can be consumed before or after meals and should be consumed by drinking water. Bodrek such affects some of the ingredient found in the Bodrek cause side effects such as dizziness, indigestion, palpitations, action, irritability, and dry mouth. That's all I have explained about the content, benefit, dosage, how it works, and the side effect of Bodrek flu and cough. Thank you.